just gonna stay sensitive for a couple.
I just had breakfast and I'm really full. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming this second time because the first go wasn't good enough. So today I'm gonna do a review on this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. It's so beautiful. This is the packaging, back and front. It's really simple. It's in this really sturdy plastic. It's heavy, it doesn't feel cheap, so that's great. And they have 18 shades in this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the swatches, and I'm gonna do a couple of demo. Is it a demo? Like a couple looks with the shadow. I'll try to do as much as I can so that you get an idea of what you can get out of this palette. So I'm gonna show you the swatches first.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.
Purple.
Struck down at 20.
So cool. I love this so much. This purple. When you look at it in the pen, you might think that what am I gonna do with that purple? This is what you can do with the purple. Just really simple. Load up your mascara. Oh my god. Yeah, I love it. I love this so much. Oh yes. Okay, the next one. I love this color. This is called Supernova. It has purple, pink, and gold shadow on it, as in glitter. I mean glitter. And it's just so easy to blend. I just use my finger. And if you're not precise enough, just use another clean finger and just slowly blend it. It will blend into this perfect gradient, and it has a little bit of orange in it as well. I'm going to use this brown from my Vizia palette because I think the only thing that I find missing in that Huda Beauty palette is that it doesn't have, well, but you get it right, it's a purple galaxy inspired. Where should the brown come from, you know? So yeah, so because I don't want to darken it with that dark, my hair is so messy. I don't want to use this one. I don't think it goes, but I think it goes, but I prefer brown.
Girl, you're so hot.
like a small like, look at this, and it blends out so nicely. Can you see that? Look, it just from a dark, like a darker purple, it blends out really nicely. So if I use a brown, it will look more for red undertone, like it's more red, because the glitter I use has more red in it than purple. It's more pink than purple. That's why I prefer brown. But if you don't have a brown, you can use the Vortex in this palette and make it really purple. So there you go, different option. Okay, I'm gonna go to Gold Glitch with my finger and put it all over. Ha ha ha. See that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you see the shine? As I'm blinking. Oh. It makes me so excited. Alright, I don't have a brown. Should I use Vortex? No. I'm gonna use this brown from my Viseart palette again. And did what I did earlier.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside.
Okay, finally, I'm going to use Mercury to line my eyes with the tiny brush. This is actually a lip brush.
Running from the truth, was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
From afar, you can't really tell, but as you blink, blink, blink. I love this so much. I'm so like, oh. Maybe I should tie my hair. I think I look better. Hey? Yes, no, yes, no. If you need to like get out of the house in 5 minutes, this is the eye look that you should do. It's really cool. You can go thicker if you're going out at night. Oh my god, New Year! If you're going out at night party, make it thicker. Like way thicker than this one. There you go. I hope you enjoy all 3 of this look, and I hope this has been a helpful and informative review. I hope that me trying 3 different looks would help you sort of decide what you can do with this palette. And if you're contemplating, I personally really like this palette. It's so, I've never, because my palettes are pretty neutral. I have the Naked 3. Yeah, it's all like brown and neutral and earthy, but this is the only palette that I have that has all these crazy shades. So I personally think it's a worth it, because I don't have any of this, probably like similar ones, but the formula, it's amazing. It blends out so nicely. The glitter is so pretty. Oh, like, and the purple, this pastel purple is my favorite. So yeah, and they have like a good amount of mattes and glitter and shimmer. It's just a really fun palette. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video and Happy New Year. I hope you watched this before New Year. I tried filming it yesterday. No. I tried filming this on Christmas and I started editing it and I hate it, so that's why I'm filming it today again. Anyways, I hope you have a great 2019. 2020 is coming. I hope no one is like freaking out, because it's gonna be good. You're gonna learn, you're gonna grow, probably grow old too, more wrinkles. No, we're not gonna let that happen, because we're gonna have extra skincare routine to combat that problem. So yeah, I hope you have a great new year. Go on and celebrate. If you're staying home like I do, get some wine, watch a great movie, and put on makeup, you know, count down at home. So yeah, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I don't know what